30 years, Hennessey has been obsessed with one thing: speed. We built cars that have shattered world records, redefined American muscle, and pushed the limits of what's possible on the road. At the heart of every record, every build, and every breakthrough has been one constant: Pennzoil. Its advanced technology protects our engines from 270 miles per hour in the Venom GT to the revolutionary 2,031 horsepower of the Venom F5. Pennzoil is the oil we trust to make history. And now, Pennzoil wants to give drivers everywhere a chance to fuel their own journey. From August 26th through November 30th, get $1 off every gallon of fuel when you purchase 5 quarts of Pennzoil Platinum, Platinum High Mileage, or Ultra Platinum at AutoZone. Or get $1 off per gallon with a Pennzoil oil change at participating Jiffy Lube locations. Engine protection that pays off at the pump. For more details, visit pennzoil.com/fuel rewards. Pennzoil, proven at the limit, trusted by Hennessey.